In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable dark theme on Google. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where the setting is, how to switch between light and dark, and how to pick a mode that automatically follows your device's appearance. Let's begin by opening your web browser and going to the Google homepage. This is the main search page you probably use every day. Make sure you're on the actual Google search page, not just a results page from another site. Once you're on the Google homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll usually see your profile icon if you're signed in, along with a few small icons and links. Nearby, you should see a link or icon labeled Settings, or represented by a small gear symbol. This is where we control how Google looks. Click on the Settings option. A small menu will appear, and in that menu, you should see an option called Dark Theme. Sometimes it appears as Appearance, or Dark Theme On, or Dark Theme Off, depending on your current setting. If you see a simple toggle or switch for Dark Theme, click it once. When you turn it on, the background of the Google homepage will change from white to a darker color, usually a deep gray or black. Text and icons will also adjust so they stay readable against the darker background. This can be easier on your eyes, especially in low light, and can reduce glare on your screen. If you want to turn Dark Theme off and go back to the standard light look, just click the same toggle again. The page will switch back to a white background with darker text, which some people find easier to read in bright environments. On some versions of Google, instead of a simple on and off switch, you might see an appearance option. When you click that, you'll typically get three choices: light, dark, or a mode that follows your device or system settings. Choosing light forces Google to always use the light background. Choosing dark forces it to always stay in dark mode. And choosing the option that follows your device means Google will automatically match whatever appearance setting your computer or phone is using. Take a moment to try switching between these options so you can see which one feels most comfortable for your eyes and your typical lighting conditions. Once you're happy with the look, you can simply start searching as usual. Your preference is usually saved, so the next time you visit Google on that browser, it should remember your choice.